Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add gender field in contact form 7. So now let me go in website dashboard and click here contact forms. Scroll down and click here. Then scroll down. So now first of all let me add here label, gender. Then you need to go here radio buttons. Click here insert tag. So option 1, option 2, option 3. So I want to keep two options. So in this option let me add male and here female. Now let's click on save button and then reload this page. So now here you can see gender field is added.